Hi, I'm Sangeeta and I welcome you to New Era Astrology. Join us as we decode how cosmic forces influence the collective consciousness and world affairs. This astrology is about world events. Around full moon in Libra, arriving on 12th May 2025, it will reveal the important global moment as the tension between power and people will be undeniable. This lunation highlights a sharp divide. Aries Libra axis is activated, so that means individual versus collective harmony. And Uranus will be very near to Sun that time, so that will charge the full moon with unpredictability. So we could witness sudden leadership changes, scandals coming into light, then mass protests on issues like women rights, education, and judicial fairness. Then escalating global tensions like which is challenging the diplomacy. So the message is clear. People are demanding fairness but not at the cost of freedom. So if we apply astrocartography, then Sun, Moon and Uranus lines on angles will be passing very close to New York, Washington DC until through South America, and then they will go through Russia, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, East and South Africa. So let us see what happens in these regions. Then there will be media manipulation and mind games because Pluto in Capricorn will be squaring Mercury in Aries. Pluto brings intensity, dark truth, dark power, and Mercury is all about information, connection, and communication. This intensifies the global information battlefield. So, what we can expect? So there could be deliberate misinformation through media, all types of medias, then AI driven propagandas, then tightening of censorship under the guise of safety. So in many places, truth itself has become the weapon. So this aspect urges us to reclaim our discernment and refuse mental manipulation. So, underneath these storms, subtle yet profound change is brewing because Pluto and Neptune both are outer planets. They will be in a rare sextile aspect. This aspect happens after some 400 plus years and it invites a quiet revolution. So, what it is, let us see. Pluto breaks down the old hierarchies, and Neptune brings new ideologies and dissolves the old rigid ideologies or illusions. So, we will see this reflected in mass protests, global spiritual questioning, and a yearning for compassionate governance. So, this is not a collapse, but this is a quiet revolution. Then another rare aspect is happening, which generally happens after 500 years. So that is about Saturn and Neptune conjunction, and it is happening in Pisces. So Saturn and Neptune meets every 36 years, but in Pisces they are meeting after 500 years. So what will happen? So there will be collapse and transformation of old religious systems, and there will be a radical shift in collective beliefs and imaginations. So let us see what happened back then when it was in this conjunction was in Pisces in the year 1523. So Sweden began to break away from the authority of papacy. Martin Luther made the Bible more accessible to wider audience. Then Spanish established their presence in Americas, and in India, significant Panipat battle was fought, setting the stage for establishment of Mughal Empire. So Portuguese also established their presence on southeastern coast of India. We can see the shift in the religious establishments and overall governance. So this aspect in 2025 is already forming and will be climaxing in 2026. If we look at it astrocartographically, then Saturn and Neptune on IC lines are passing right through. Then similarly, Neptune and Saturn on MC lines are passing through Central America and Eastern Greenland. So this conjunction signals collapse of ideological empires. So what we can expect? Spiritual fakes will be exposed, outdated nationalistic narratives will weaken, national borders, religion, governments will be challenged to lead with the integrity. And tensions like those already mirroring this energy. So old diplomatic frameworks are breaking down and calling for new compassionate solutions. So from US mass protest against authoritarian overreach, the cosmic story is very clear. Humanity stands at fated point. Fear or integrity, illusion or truth, separation or compassionate governance. So this is New Era astrology, where planets guide us through uncertainty, not to predict the fate, but to understand the soul of humanity. So stay aware, stay compassionate, and remember, evolution is quiet but unstoppable. So if you like this podcast, then mention this in the comments below and subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs to watch this. Thank you so much. Let us meet in next episode and I'll bring some more cosmic guidelines on world affairs. Thank you.